health of your teeth and gums are of utmost importance. What do you think, doctor?
Yeah, exactly. The oral cavity acts as a mirror of the whole body. It's a gateway of the alimentary canal. It helps in prevention of many diseases, and also we know the functions that the oral cavity helps in the food salivation, digestion, and also for the speech also. And many systemic diseases can manifest firstly in oral cavity. That's why it's called as a mirror of the overall health. For example, in Crohn's disease, ulcerations can first happen in mouth, and also in systemic lupus erythematosus, lesions manifestation, tissue lesions manifestation occur in oral cavity, and also in many conditions this first initial symptoms can happen show in oral cavity. So oral cavity should be taken care of, and its health is an important factor overall. Maintaining the equilibrium of the body, it's depend on how the oral cavity is being maintained. So Ayurveda also considers the main important 9 dwaras of our bodies. Oral cavity is an important factor, and in Ayurvedic concept we have mentioned about especially on Mugarogas. Chapter in Shalakya Tantra Urdhvanga Chikitsa, in major Brihatrayi classics it has been mentioned about Mugaroga and its treatments. Almost around 65 diseases has been mentioned that will happen on overall the health of the overall oral health, including the gums, teeth, tongue, palate, lips, etc. And their treatments have also been mentioned. One of the important thing in this, considering this oral health is one of the recent surveys have shown that the oral health is derailed in many developing countries because of the less of hygiene awareness, less health awareness to the people in many developing countries and underdeveloped countries. So there is a area which alternative our traditional medicinal knowledge can contribute much towards this, because if you take the consideration, even before the Western world or even before any nations could dream about systematizing the health regimes of for the holistic health concepts, our acharyans and our rishis in our Bharat have done it perfectly. And in our Ayurveda, the Dinacharya and all have show us exactly how oral health importance has been taken into consideration.
Doctor, would you like to add something?
Yes, in Siddha system also, in the book according to Padartha Guna Chintamani, it mentions the importance of the disease of the teeth. It mentions about Pal Noigal and Palladi Noigal, which means the diseases of the teeth and the diseases of the gums. Also, in the ancient Siddha literatures, it mentions the importance of Danta Davanam, that is the importance of brushing. According to olden times, there was no toothbrush present. At the time, they used the twigs as toothbrush. So it is mentioned that Alum Velum Pallu Kuridi, the twigs of the babul tree and the banyan tree have been used for brushing. This prevents the dental caries and also maintains the overall general health of the teeth. And in that days it was said that for brushing we should not stand or in sitting position. We should do it in Kukudasana position. And also after brushing the teeth, we should gargle our mouth or wash the mouth with 12 times of water. This says about the importance of brushing or maintaining the oral hygiene.
Doctor, what type of Ayurveda management do you do for mouth?
Yeah, the Ayurvedic management directly we can tell that before its prevention is better than cure. So many regimes which have been, I have earlier told that regarding the Dinacharya, including as Madam told, Danda Davana, Dihva Nirleha means scraping over the tongue, then Gandusha, Kavala means gargling and oil filling, and then Pradimarshanasya. These type of daily Dinacharya procedures has been mentioned, that these things should be done regularly to prevent any oral manifestation and diseases. And considering the disease manifestation, many if one disease occurs, there are many medicines and herbal medicines which have been mentioned in Ayurveda. For example, Arimedadi Thailam, it's a formulation which helps in many oral, it can be used for gargling and help in the overall health of the oral mucosa and the gums also. And many formulations like that, Kadiradi Vadi, Triphala Churna, and many which with these recent studies have shown that the pharmacodynamics of this herbal medicine can help in the reversal of the pathology of the diseases. So it's considering these medicines, the easily accessible things for general public is these available homely available drugs and homely available medicines and easily available medicines. It's more feasible for them. So there should be a need of intense hygiene awareness regarding this oral health to the community, so that they can practice this regularly, and it can help in prevention of many diseases.
Okay. Can you recommend some Siddha medications for oral health?
Okay, there's some Siddha medicines. We can't particularly catch out the medicines, but in general, the main is to normalize the three humors, the Vata, Pitta and Kapha. And also for if there is toothache present, we can medicines like Kasukati Churnam or Grambu Thailam can be applied or internally taken. Kasukati Churnam is taken internally, and then the Lavanga Thailam or Grambu Thailam is applied on that area. Then also oil pulling with coconut oil or gingerly oil helps to remove the plaque formation. And also we have to concentrate on a healthy and balanced diet by including the dairy products and green leafy vegetables in our diet. We can improve the overall health. Also, as a general tips, we can advise the people that we should brush twice daily. Then we can limit the intake of sugar and sugary substances, and also acidic food items, and then floss the teeth daily. Then by maintaining this, we can maintain our oral health.
So, smile with confidence and shine with health.